Hey guys, welcome to the how-to channel. Right here we have one Intex metal frame pool, but our pump isn't pumping the way it should be. As you can hear right here, it's working and grinding in there like everything is okay, but if we take a look right here in the pool, there is nothing coming out from this output hose. No bubbles, nothing at all. Now, there are two possible reasons for this problem. Either something big got stuck in there and everything is jammed, or your filter is just too dirty and too heavy and it stopped turning itself around. Now, let's just dismount this pump and take out this filter to see what is going on in there. Now you got this small cap right here where we went the air in the pump, and we need to unscrew that. But before we do that, we have to be sure that this pump is above the water level in that pool right there. So basically just raise it like this and open up this cap. You can hear the air hissing from the pump. And now of course also unscrew this big cap. I will show you this filter. This one is pretty dirty. Now if you can see right here, this is the main cause why our pump wasn't working properly. This is basically just too dirty of a filter. We need to replace it with a new one, or we need to clean it. Actually, it's very easy to clean these types of filters. You don't need to go and buy a new ones, but I will show you in the next video how to clean them. Let's just take a brand new one and let's get this pump working. Just take out this cylinder by pulling it out. Take a new one. There's actually this small groove right here and it goes on this cylinder right there, so just push it inside like this and that's it. As you can see, my pump is in a little bit tricky position. It's right here in this shed, but we are going to make it work. Raise your pump just a little bit above the pool level. Put the filter in there, just press it, put this big cap. Nice. Alright. Now the nice trick here is to leave this small cap opened while we are lowering the pump down, and we are going to turn the pump on now. You can hear the pump working, but we need to lower it down a little bit more. You can hear the air hissing out, but not all of air is still out, so we need to lower it down a little bit more. Now that we have this water coming out from the pump, it is safe to close this little cap. No more water coming out. And let's see how it works. The output flow is much better. We got bubbles and everything. As you could see, this simple change of pump filter can make a big difference in your pump efficiency. Always make sure you have a clean filter in there. Now I know they get pretty dirty pretty fast, so in the next video I will show you the most effective way to clean these little suckers without a lot of money. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.